For this number, 456, 456, or indeed 456, for this number, it's going to be written as C D L V I. C D L V I. Let me show you why it is like this. The number is 456. The closest Roman numeral to this whole number is 500. 500. And 500 is represented or written as D. But what we want is 400, which is smaller than 500. Therefore, we need to take away 100. And 100, remember, 100 is represented as what? 100 is represented by the letter C. Since we are taking away 100 from 500, then it's going to be CD. C, to represent 100, is written on the left side, meaning we are going to take away C from the number on the right side, which is bigger, which is 500. So this alone represents 400. So what remains then is 56. 56, in this particular 56, there is 50. 50 is represented by the letter L. What remains? 6. 6 is written as VI. 6 is written as VI. When we get these letters starting from here, actually, there is CD, CD, there is L, L, and then there is VI, VI. $890, 890, or 890, 890 or 890. This is going to be written as D C C C X C. D C C C X C. The number is 890 or 890. So let me write it down here. 890. 890. In this 890, there is 500. And 500 is represented by the letter D. 500 is represented by the letter D. Then we need to take this 500 to 800. It means that we need to add 100, another 100, and a third 100. This 100 is represented by C, another C, and another C. DCCC means that we have got 800. What is then remaining is 90. This 90 is closest to 100. And 100 is represented by the letter C. But it is not 100 that we want, it is 90. It therefore means that from this 100, we take away 10. We take away 10. And we know that 10 is represented by what? 10 is represented by X. So we have got this C representing 100. And if we want this to become 90, it means that we write X in front of it, because it means that this number is going to be subtracted from this particular number. So this is equal to 90. When we get these letters, D, there's D there, C, 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 X, X, C. C, it's going to give us 890 or 890. 321 or 321. 321 or 321. This one is going to be written as C C C X X I. C C C X X I. The number is 321. 321. In this one, there is 100, which is represented by the letter C, another 100, C, another 100, C. So there is C, C, C. To make 300, what remains? 21. In this 21, there is X to represent 10 and another X to represent 10. And what we need to do then is add the 1. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 1 is 21. So what are these letters then that represent 321? There is C, 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 which is C, C, C. Then there is X, 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 and then there is I, I.